Hey everyone, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wealth creation. Specifically, we're going to explore 15 assets that consistently make the rich even richer. We're uncovering assets that often fly under the radar but play a huge role in building lasting wealth. So, if you're ready to level up your understanding of wealth and how to build it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First up, we've got cash. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any financial strategy. The wealthy understand that having significant cash reserves isn't about burying it in the backyard. It's about having the flexibility to seize opportunities when they arise. Think about it, a hot real estate deal pops up below market value. Who's going to be in a better position to jump on it? Someone with cash on hand, ready to make a move. Having cash also gives you negotiating power. Unexpected expenses, market downturn, no problem. You've got a cushion to fall back on. This financial security allows you to take calculated risks and weather storms that would wipe out others. Next, we've got real estate, a cornerstone of wealth for centuries. And when I say real estate, I'm not just talking about your primary residence. I'm talking about residential rental properties, commercial buildings, land, anything that generates passive income and appreciates in value over time. People will always need a place to live, work, and shop. By owning a piece of that demand, you're creating a stream of passive income that can grow over time. Real estate is a tangible asset, less susceptible to the wild swings of the stock market. The key is to do your research, understand the market, and start small. It's about building a portfolio that generates passive income and appreciates over time, creating generational wealth. Now let's talk about bonds. Bonds are like the reliable, steady eddy of the investment world. They might not offer the flashy returns of stocks, but they provide stability. Essentially, when you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government or corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount plus a fixed interest rate over a set period. Bonds provide a predictable stream of income and help preserve capital. They ensure that your money is working for you even in uncertain economic times. Now let's talk about stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small ownership stake in a publicly traded company. This means you have the potential to benefit from the company's growth and profitability. Stocks offer the potential for significant returns through capital appreciation and dividends. Of course, investing in individual stocks comes with risks. The stock market can be volatile, and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. That's why it's crucial to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long term. It's about participating in the growth of the economy and sharing in the success of innovative companies. If you're not comfortable picking individual stocks, don't worry. That's where mutual funds and index funds come in. These investment vehicles allow you to diversify your portfolio across hundreds or even thousands of stocks with a single investment. Index funds in particular are a favorite among experienced investors. They passively track a specific market index like the S&P 500, meaning they aim to replicate the performance of that index. This takes the guesswork out of investing and provides broad market exposure. By investing consistently over time, you benefit from the power of compound interest. Diversification is key to mitigating risk in your portfolio. Now let's move beyond traditional investments and talk about equipment. Equipment plays a crucial role in generating income for many businesses and individuals. Think about it. A farmer needs tractors, a construction worker needs power tools, a photographer needs cameras. These tools of the trade are essential for generating income. The great thing about equipment is that it's a tangible asset that can be depreciated over time, providing tax advantages. Plus, as technology advances, there's always an opportunity to upgrade your equipment and improve efficiency. Investing in the right equipment can significantly enhance your earning potential. Now let's talk about intellectual property, starting with patents. A patent is a legal right granted to an inventor that prevents others from making, using, or selling their invention without permission. Patents are incredibly valuable assets for businesses and individuals who are developing new technologies, products, or processes. They provide a competitive advantage by protecting your innovations and allowing you to control how they are used. You can license the patent to other companies, allowing them to use your invention in exchange for royalties. Patents are a powerful tool for monetizing your creativity and ingenuity. Similar to patents, trademarks protect your brand identity and distinguish your goods or services from competitors. A trademark can be a word, phrase, symbol, design, or a combination of these elements. Think about some of the most iconic brands in the world: Apple, Nike, Coca-Cola. Trademarks are essential for building brand recognition, customer loyalty, and ultimately, increasing the value of your business. By protecting your trademarks, you're protecting your brand equity and preventing others from capitalizing on your hard work. Now let's talk about brand and goodwill, two intangible assets that can make or break a business. Brand refers to the overall perception of your company in the minds of consumers. Goodwill is the intangible value of a business beyond its tangible assets. It encompasses factors like brand recognition, customer loyalty, reputation, and employee morale. Brand and goodwill create a halo effect that influences consumer behavior. Building a strong brand and cultivating goodwill takes time and effort, but it's one of the most valuable investments you can make in your business. Now let's talk about the most valuable asset of all people. I'm not just talking about employees, but also mentors, partners, investors, and anyone who contributes to your success. Surround yourself with talented, motivated individuals who share your vision and values, invest in their growth and development, and create a positive and supportive work environment. Your team is the backbone of your business. By fostering a culture of collaboration, respect, and continuous learning, you're creating an environment where everyone can thrive. Never underestimate the power of a strong team. Now let's talk about raw materials and commodities. These are the basic building blocks of the global economy, from oil and gold to wheat and copper. Investing in commodities can be a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially hedge against inflation. When the value of the dollar declines, the price of commodities tends to rise. However, it's important to note that commodity prices can be volatile, influenced by factors like supply and demand, geopolitical events, and weather patterns. If you're looking for a way to gain exposure to the global economy and potentially profit from the rising demand for raw materials, commodities can be an option to consider. Now let's talk about the digital age and the rise of content as an asset. In today's world, information is power, and those who create and distribute valuable content are in a prime position to succeed. Whether it's books, songs, digital courses, podcasts, or videos, creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or inspires can generate a significant stream of passive income. The beauty of digital content is its scalability. Once you create a piece of content, it can be distributed to a global audience at virtually no cost. If you're passionate about a particular topic and enjoy creating content, this could be a lucrative avenue to explore. Now, let's talk about royalties. Royalties are payments made to the owner of an asset for the right to use that asset. This could include royalties from books, music, movies, patents, or franchises. The beauty of royalties is that they provide a passive income stream that can continue for years or even decades after the initial work is created. Generating significant royalties requires creating something truly exceptional that resonates with a large audience. If you have a unique talent or idea, pursuing royalties could be a life-changing endeavor. Now let's talk about unique rights. These are exclusive privileges or advantages that give you a competitive edge in the marketplace. This could include things like government contracts, licenses, permits, or access to limited resources. For example, imagine you're the only company in your region with a permit to operate a certain type of business. Unique rights can create significant barriers to entry for competitors, giving you a virtual monopoly in your niche. This allows you to command premium prices and generate substantial profits. Finally, let's talk about the first mover advantage. This is the advantage gained by being the first to market with a new product, service, or business model. Think about companies like Amazon, Google, and Facebook. They were all pioneers in their respective industries, and their early dominance allowed them to shape the market landscape and establish themselves as industry leaders. Being a first mover is not without its risks. However, the potential rewards can be enormous. So there you have it. 15 assets that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually build your portfolio of assets. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth. See you in the next video.